Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to blur the photo background in Capcut. First, open the Capcut app on your device. Tap on New Project and add the photo you want to edit. Once the photo is on your timeline, tap on it to select it. Now, tap on the Overlay option at the bottom. Choose Add Overlay and select the same photo from your gallery. Add it to the timeline and make sure it is perfectly aligned with the original photo. Tap on the overlay photo to select it. Scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Remove Background. Capcut will automatically detect and remove the background from the overlay, leaving only the subject visible. Next, go back to the original photo layer. Tap on it to select it, then scroll to the bottom menu and tap on Effects. In the Effects menu, find and select Blur. After applying the blur effect, ensure the overlay layer is still aligned with the blurred background. Adjust its size and position if needed to make it look seamless. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap on the Export button at the top right corner to save your edited photo. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.